can't stand a quiet woman though, say. Oh, I can't stand a quiet woman. White women, theatrical. White women, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God, what is your name? Oh, oh my God. Oh, you're heat-seeking missile. Oh my God. Black women can't shut the fuck up. Black women be like, oh shit, you big dick, bow-legged pigeon. I got 2 sick days left, motherfucker. Oh shit, you like cornbread? Yeah, I love cornbread. Just thinking about cornbread. Spanish women, I ain't saying Spanish women got the best pussy in the world, but to make you feel like you got the best dick that day. Spanish women say all type of shit, ain't got nothing to do with the dick. Ay, nena, ay, papi chulo. Ay, papi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Telemundo, Sofrito, Alex Rodriguez, Fat Joe, Big Pun, Lima. Mira Gasolina! Mira Gasolina! I am the king of the pussy! Fellas, you ever be fucking, you know you should stop, but you don't? There's some pussy that you wanted for the longest, you finally got it, you be like, oh, shit. You in it, you be like, oh, shit. You alright? Oh, shit, I'm good. You be like, oh. So all of a sudden, her body changed, her body language, she be like, oh, my God. Her son walked in the room, you know, she sits down, she be like, my son walked in the room, you be like, get the fuck out of here. Hey! Oh. Oh. The fucking with her. Let me say this one day. Women got this bomb.